Hello stock stalkers, welcome back to the channel. Let's analyze a heavily traded stock in ADX or Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange, Aldar Properties. This is the daily chart. Let's analyze the trend. Previously we could see market was respecting this trend line. Whenever market touched the trend line, it took nice bounces. But here we saw market did not hold and it broke the trend line. From here it made a double bottom kind of pattern and it made a new swing high. So this is a strong resistance for the market. From here also we can draw a small trend line by connecting the two resistance points. From here market gapped up and it broke the trend line. Also we can see a dynamic support here, that is 50-day moving average. This blue line that you are seeing right here, this is a moving average. This acts as a dynamic support and resistance. It's right near the price as of now, but this is still not a buying zone. Why is that? Market moved to the upside, breaking a small support zone. As of now, it's right at the support. We want to see clearance of this zone. Clearance of this zone meaning resistance is as of now around somewhere 4.21. So once market moves up from here, we will see nice chart pattern, that is market again will make higher highs and higher lows. Once it breaks the resistance, this will be a good time to buy. Where is your target? This is your first target, say around 4.40. On the higher time frame, I have seen a strong resistance around 4.85. At the same time, market will just not keep going up. You will see patterns, it will start making higher highs and higher lows. I hope guys this video was helpful. Do not forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. That's it guys for now. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.